Costa Rica, a place where the jungle feels alive, every path leads to a new adventure, and nature takes your breath away. From exploring the colorful streets of Puerto Viejo to visiting a cacao farm run by indigenous people and learning about their traditions, this journey offered a glimpse into a culture deeply connected to the land. Between unforgettable adventures that got my heart racing and moments that pushed me to gather every bit of courage I had, every day brought something new. Surrounded by an incredible group of women and spending some time with a local host family in the jungle, this became an experience I'll never forget. Welcome to Costa Rica.
Good morning from La Fortuna, from our hostel still. This hostel was really pretty with a pool, another pool table to play. And yesterday, so we went for the canyoning. That was really cool. I was so scared, you probably can tell through the videos. But it was really nice and the guides were also really helpful. Afterwards, we chilled at the pool for a little while. And in the evening, we went to a cool place where they played music and we had sushi. It was really good. And now we're waiting for our transportation to go to Monteverde. But on the way there, we're gonna have different transportation, and one really special one you're gonna see. Catch you guys in Monteverde, where we're gonna have a really cool activity this afternoon. From a moving vehicle. We are on our way to the hanging bridges here in Monteverde, and it's a bumpy ride though, but it's fun. I hope you guys can hear me well. We had just a little lunch and are now on our way to these iconic pictures of the hanging bridges you see online. So let's see. We were dropped off somewhere else first, but I think we're going to the right direction. Let's explore the hanging bridges of Monteverde. Ooh, it's kind of wobbly. It's so wobbly. And we're all like trying to find some animals. I forgot how they're called in English, and that's why I feel like we're rushing to find them. But it's so wobbly, but still super cool. This is insane. Oh my gosh, this is so...
So the tree inside is dead?
Yeah. So it becomes hollow, and then you can... This is sort of...
Did you get that on camera?
ya. Bueno, se ven.
So you guys go backwards. Vean, este árbol es el el siguiente, después de este tenemos escalón, pero es lento. Pero como este es el the same line we saw before, the agouti.
So we can climb the tree and we can put the backpack there, get through the tree all the way up.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to climb up that tree right now. Okay, almost there. This is what I already did so far. All right, stepping out of it. And I did it! That's crazy. Whoop whoop! Good morning, guys, from Ellie and I, and we're currently ziplining. Are you going to do the Tarzan swing and Superman as well? I think so. Damn! So, yeah, it's going to be pretty adrenaline packed today. The girls are ready. Let's see if I can do the Tarzan swing and the Superman. But let's get it going!
Go.
Hola. Hola. Thank you.
Everything.
Thank you.
Be careful.
With what?
Be careful. Be careful. Excelente, hablas español.
Solo un poco.
No, hablas muy bien.
Gracias.
Everything is safe.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm just in your hands, man.
Vlog,
I don't know. Hola.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Hola.
Hola. This is scary though. Oh my god. Woo! So give me the night to hold you, hold you. This is right after the song. So can't make up your mind, 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 mind. Please don't waste your time, 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 time. Shawty is a eeny, meeny, miny, my lover. Shawty is a eeny, meeny, miny, my lover. Shawty's all around if you wanna be my lover. You gotta get with my friends. Makes it last forever. Friendship never ends. This is gonna be nice. We love you, Tony! Enjoy the ride! Oh my god, I'm so excited for the film.
1, 2, 3. There we go.
Everything is safe?
Everything is safe.
Don't cry.
No, it's rain.
You want to do the Superman?
Is it like this?
No, it is more longer. 1,600 meters.
Pura vida. Everything safe?
Yes. Here is closed. And here open.
Okay, thank you.
Closed.
Thank you so much. That was crazy.
Get better with the guy because now it's a lot of windy.
recording?
Hello, mommy. I love it, mommy.
Already? That's it. Okay, vamos! Gracias, Justin.
Chica, you wanna do Tarzan?
I don't know. Can I see first?
Take it off your harness and you wash it.
Okay.
No good? Come back. No worries.
Okay, guys, we're on our way to the Tarzan swing. I don't know what I'm doing here, but Tony wanted me to record her, so I guess I'm just coming along. It's a nice walk, though. Tony! Tony! Why is it so wobbly? I'm really scared.
No worries. Everything is safe, okay?
Okay. Oh my gosh, Tony, you got this. Oh, I'm sorry, that was so loud. Can I go back?
Go. Do it.
I'm really scared.
You'll be fine. Let me check the equipment box.
Please. Wait, slow. No, I don't think.
Dime qué. Si quieres pasamos allá primero.
Yeah, maybe. Oh my god. To go back. No. Thank you though.
Pura vida, señorita.
Pura vida.
No Tarzan, miss?
I'm okay. I did enough adrenaline for me today. And that was the zip lining. It was really fun, and there was so many different like heights as well. And I don't know if you guys could tell, but I was kind of scared. And I think we did one of the longest like zip linings in Latin America. So yeah, I'm actually proud of myself because I'm afraid of heights. But I didn't want to do the Tarzan swing. I was really close to, you guys saw it. I was really close to. Some of the other girls did it and I'm so proud of them. It's such a crazy thing to do. But I have to say I was fine with enough adrenaline, enough height already. And now we're on our way to coffee! And grab some coffeecito and maybe some little snacks. I didn't eat breakfast, so let's see what we're having. And also, we might be meeting our tour guides for lunch later, so I'm gonna leave room for that as well.
If I say Arabica, in order to visit.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are just going on our coffee farm tour and learn about the coffee, about this specific farm here in Monteverde.
One fall to the ground. The coffee bean. But tell me if you got only one bean, but normally they have two. It creates the roots and the roots go down and the bean moves up. After a few days, the bean start opening, look. And then these kind of leaves, because these are not leaves, they come straight out from the seed. For the students coming to Costa Rica.
Hi, buddy.
The weaknesses, I think.
How do you say that?
It's some 100 feet. And that is not very. For coffee pickers, they prefer this because it's easier to remove from a branch. Where here. Now they keep growing, and next season the flowers will come here. The main enemies of coffee are not mammals or birds or fungus.
Yeah, it's already flying. She's really good at it. Yeah, like, oh, I want this.
Hola chiquita, ¿cómo estás?
The guy just told me because he said these leaves are actually good if you want to prevent a cold or if you're having a cold. And I'm like, yeah, I'm having a cold since a couple of days. And then he said that this branch like fell down, or like this tree's putting away that branch, so for me to have a chance to get those leaves. And I don't know why, it makes me just emotional. So let's grab some. Thank you so much, tree. I'm gonna get only 3. Thank you so much. And see if I get really fast, really healthy.
No coffee, no tree, just grass.
Yeah,
so
it's
funny.
super normal.
What can we do with our toothpaste? That is one.
Also, when you have diarrhea.
When you have diarrhea, that's second. Deposit. In nature, and 3 different ways of roasting the bean. And then sun dry for about a week. Next step is removing the parchment as the bedding for the chickens. To absorb the moisture of the food, keep it dry. This is the honey. This looks like about 3 months, and then you can roast the beans. This works with electricity. It has some heaters down here. Medium, you get this temperature in about 12.5 minutes.
We're about to taste some coffee, and we should also guess which coffee is which roast, I guess. And I'm here with Taylor, so we're gonna try that and see if we are right.
Yes.
Let's go. So, what do you reckon?
I think it's the light round.
Light one.
Do we agree?
Ready for the second?
I think so. Yeah.
But if the one we had earlier was the medium roast,
Yeah.
I think you're right.
Okay, now after the second one, you can start
Muchas gracias.
at least saying which one is. Why? How you know the starter?
Again, like you said before, Tony, with comparison to the medium one,
yeah, it still seems light.
For now, you
Could
don't
that
know
be
the first one. If it
natural
was
process?
medium
Do we
or
need
light.
to? Do we have all 5?
No, the last 2 back there. Yeah, we're just doing the roast.
Thank you.
I also learned with like tasting coffees, it's like wine tasting, where you have to kind of like aerate it a bit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This is, let's see, now after
these are the
this,
different-
then you can guess.
Thank you.
Which order we did? Which order we did? Which one? Number 2
Is
was
that
dark.
medium?
Where was the medium and where light?
I would say the first one was light.
Yeah, and this medium,
Yeah.
and the middle one dark.
Light, dark, medium.
Got it. Light, dark, medium.
The second one tasted light to me for some reason, but definitely the first one was also.
I think we got it pretty well.
Can you taste the last 2? The process is named honey or is named natural.
Okay.
So fully washed is a different process.
Okay. Thank you. I think it's natural.
So natural is whole bean, and honey is where they just leave that little outside. Right? Yeah. I'm gonna be so serious in this video.
I know we're so
I
serious.
take when I'm tasting stuff,
so
I take
much.
it very seriously. This is natural. This is natural. Imagine this with honey.
I feel like I'm not getting anything.
A natural is one where they just let the berries dry in the sun.
I think so, right?
Okay, so that one makes
And then the
sense.
honey is where they leave. You know, like when like we ate it.
Sometimes you
It had that like little like
The one, the
membrane.
yeah. First honey, second natural. Good job, Taylor.
Oh, thank you.
I like the black one.
I do too.
This is so good.
I wonder if they have more.
And with that, the tour has ended. At first, I wasn't really 100% feeling it. I was tired a little bit. But now, not only the coffee has woken me up, but also this beautiful nature in here, and I'm just blown away. So let's grab some coffee from this place.
Good afternoon, everybody. I didn't vlog too much today because we were the whole day pretty much traveling. We just had lunch and now we are in Santa Teresa. We're going to the beach right now for the sunset, and afterwards we're gonna go bikini shopping. So look at this view. From Santa Teresa, aka Montezuma, I think we are right now. We're gonna go on a boat ride today to Tortuga Island. Pretty excited. Let's see what this day has ahead. And we're gonna stay around until I think 9 p.m. because we're also hopefully gonna see bioluminescence tonight. So let's get the boat day going. Yeah. Costa Rican sea, lovely Sam, lovely girls, and we just gotta get some noodles. Hello! Let's go! It's so pretty, it's so pretty, it's so pretty, it's so pretty, it's so pretty! I'm literally above your head, so she's dancing like 3, 2, 1. She's rooting for us. This is so nice. Good evening, everybody. We are now going for dinner. I haven't vlogged yesterday too much because we just saw beautiful bioluminescence in the water. It was just amazing. I just soaked in because the stars were shining. We had like stars as well in the water by having the bioluminescence. Once we moved, we saw them. And now some of the girlies got tattoos. And
Birthday girl.
It's our birthday today. Yeah, okay, but it's not and I got like a fake one, but it's really cute. And now we're gonna have beautiful dinner. Hey everyone, you can see that I am at the airport right now. We had a big time gap, and the last time I think I was speaking to you when we had our dinner, and dinner was amazing. We shared our favorite moments of the group on our travels. It was amazing. Also the last 2 days I didn't vlog too much because we were just enjoying the time together, and we were chilling at the pool or walking around doing some shopping, and not really much more action happened. This was my Costa Rica vlog, and I've met incredible people. The girls are so cool. Hello. Exactly, one of the beautiful girls that joined us. There's actually 2 of us. There's actually 2 Ellies here.
And we're just about to board the same flight actually. I was with UK Ellie in the first flight together, and now I'm going back until the end destination.
You've added an extra Ellie.
I added an extra Ellie. I am blessed, you guys.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're just gonna say goodbye to you. Thank you so much for watching the vlog so far. If you guys liked it, make sure to leave a thumbs up.
And subscribe for
Subscribe. Thank you. And also, otherwise, we see each other live on Twitch, where I do some video gaming, travel, talk, co-working, and yeah, hope to see you guys there. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Okay, some travel advice. First of all, go travel. That's the biggest advice I can get. Just do it. Go out, see the world, meet people, be open. And when you travel, do it. Like with everything you think about, just do it. Of course, nothing dangerous or like harming to other people, but if you think about it and if you're scared to do something, being afraid is mostly the biggest thing. And being scared of something is mostly stronger than just doing it and afterwards feeling amazing that you have done it. So enjoy. Go travel, see the world, meet people, talk to people, and just do it.
Hi guys, so my travel advice is to say yes to as many things as possible because you never know who you're gonna meet, you never know what you're gonna do. So just say yes, go with the flow, have fun, and be your best self.
So my travel advice is to always go with the cheapest option because it's the most fun one. Even if you can afford one, go for the cheapest.
If you want to travel, just go because it brings you a lot.
Always wear sunscreen, my second piece. If you think that you're going to regret not doing it, you should do it because you usually regret the things that you didn't do over the things that you did do.
Do it alone, do it scared, do it tired, do it broke, just do it because you never know who you're going to meet on your trips.
Gorgeous!
Shake that bridge for me. Shake that bridge for me.
And you also have to get sweeter.
Somebody gon' get her. She's dancing like a stripper.
The traveler chasing the unknown. Yolena, never alone. Through courage, myth, and open sea, she finds the truth of who she'll be. No matter how far the roads unravel, she is Ulina, the traveler.